Good morning, this is Gauthier presenting my project 1 of CS50's Web Programming with Python and Javascript, which is a web application designed to review books. First of all, here is the import.py file that contains the SQL alchemy command to import all the rows of the CSV file into the books table of the PostgreSQL database hosted on the cloud. From Adminer, we can see that the database consists of 3 tables, one for the users, one for the books, and one for the reviews. Since I ran import.py, the books database contains 5,000 rows as expected. As for launching the web application, I wrote docstrings in application.py explaining what to pass in the terminal before running Flask. The frontend relies on HTML files. Each of them extends layout.html to avoid having to rewrite the same code every time. As an example, the bootstrap rows and columns are only specified in layout.html, but they are used in every page of the website. The home page allows the user to either sign in or create an account. If someone tries to access restricted URL routes without having signed in, the backend will look for the user ID proper to this current session, and because it won't find anything that matches the data present in the user database, a message asking to first log in will appear. If the user chooses a username that is too short or no username at all, an error message appears. The same applies to the password entry. Here I can see that I've successfully registered. Now let's say someone tries to sign up with an account that already exists. This person will receive an error message. When trying to sign in with the wrong username or wrong password, a message appears that tells what is wrong. When the user logs in, at first the server decides if he can log in or not depending on the credentials that he entered. If he can, search.html is rendered while it contains one JavaScript line that will redirect the user to the /search URL, because now when a post request is made, we want the code of the /search route to be read and not that of the /login route. Once logged in, you can enter the part of the title, author, or ISBN of a book, and all the matching results will be displayed. I used the ILike function that is specific to Postgres to make the browsing case insensitive, so it doesn't matter whether I enter capital letters or not. As you can see, you can enter keywords containing, for example, a single quote without causing a SQL injection. Also, there is a specific message displayed when nothing was entered, and another one when no result could be found. When a user clicks on one of the books, he accesses the page with the ISBN in the URL route. The page contains information about the books as well as the current number of ratings and the average rating from users of the popular website Goodreads. All this is retrieved by using the API provided by the same website. Application.py also fetches the reviews left by BookRaider users for this current book, using a SQL join command. The user can rate a book and is invited to leave a comment. Here, again, I write something containing a single quote to show you that it doesn't cause a SQL injection. Once the review has been submitted, it is added to those available for this book, and the sentence indicates that the user cannot add another review for this book. Now let's say the user tries to go to the previous page so that the page is rendered like before he had added the review. The user can click on submit again, but the database is checked and eventually the review is not added because there is already a review matching that ISBN and that user ID. Once signed off, the session user ID is updated, so it's not possible to access restricted pages before having logged in with valid credentials. Also, if a GET request is made to the root /API /any ISBN number, the website returns the corresponding book information in a JSON format. If the request is made using an invalid ISBN number, this error message right there appears. Thank you for watching.